In this video, I'm going to share some new car purchase advice, covering everything from setting a budget to negotiating the price to getting the best financing. Tip 1. Set a budget. The first step is to set a budget. This will help you narrow down your choices and avoid overspending. Be sure to factor in the cost of insurance, registration, gas, maintenance, and depreciation when setting your budget. Tip 2. Do your research. Once you have a budget, it's time to start doing your research. This means learning about different makes and models of cars, their features, and their reliability ratings. You can find this information online, in car magazines, and from consumer reports organizations. Tip 3. Consider your needs and wants. What are your needs and wants in a new car? Do you need a lot of cargo space? Do you want a fuel-efficient car? Do you need a car that can seat a lot of people? Once you know what you need and want, you can start to narrow down your choices. Tip 4. Get pre-approved for a loan. If you need to finance your new car purchase, it's a good idea to get pre-approved for a loan before you start shopping. This will give you an idea of how much you can borrow and what your monthly payments will be. It will also make the buying process go more smoothly. Tip 5. Shop around. Once you have a budget and pre-approval, it's time for shopping around. Be sure to compare prices from different dealerships and private sellers. You should also get a vehicle history report on any car you're interested in. This report will tell you if the car has been in any accidents or has any other problems. Tip 6. Test drive the car. Once you've found a car you're interested in, it's important to test drive it before you buy it. This will give you a chance to see how the car handles and make sure it's comfortable for you to drive. Be sure to test drive the car on a variety of road surfaces, including highways and city streets. Tip 7. Inspect the car before you buy a new car. It's important to have it inspected by a mechanic. This will help you identify any potential problems with the car and get an estimate for any repairs that need to be done. Tip 8. Negotiate the price. Once you've found a new car you want to buy, it's time to negotiate the price. Don't be afraid to haggle with the seller. You may be able to get a better price if you're willing to walk away from the deal. Tip 9. Get everything in writing. Once you've agreed on a price, it's important to get everything in writing. This includes the purchase price, the terms of the sale, and any warranties that are being offered. New car purchase advice. Here are some additional tips for buying a new car. Consider buying a car at the end of the month. Dealership sales quotas typically reset at the beginning of each month, so they may be more willing to negotiate at the end of the month. Don't fall for dealer add-ons. Dealer add-ons are things like extended warranties, service contracts, and paint protection. They're often overpriced and not necessary. Read the fine print before you sign anything. Make sure you understand all of the terms and conditions of the sale before you sign any paperwork. Do your research on the dealer. Read online reviews and check with your local consumer protection agency to see if there have been any complaints filed against the dealer. Be prepared to walk away. If you're not happy with the deal, don't be afraid to walk away. There are plenty of other dealerships out there. Conclusion. Buying a new car can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. By following these tips, you can make the process easier and less stressful. And most importantly, you'll be more likely to get a great deal on the car of your dreams. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about buying a new car, please leave them in the comments below.